Have you ever wondered how high-ticket affiliate marketing works? Today, we'll explore how people can profit big time from this venture. So, what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? It's where you promote products or services that offer generous commissions. Instead of earning a few bucks per sale, you can make a hefty commission. Imagine promoting a product that lands you $500 for just one sale. Sounds tempting, right? One of the biggest draws of high-ticket affiliate marketing is the potential to generate income without all the hustle. This isn't about quick wins. It requires finding products you believe in and understanding your target audience. But once you do, you can make a killing and stash away cash over time. Starting in high-ticket affiliate marketing involves choosing a niche that suits you. You won't score big by promoting random products. Think about what you can honestly endorse. Once you've found your niche, look for affiliate programs that offer attractive commissions. Partnering with trustworthy brands can make all the difference. It's essential to build a solid online presence. Use social media or a website to engage your audience. Share information, answer questions, and be helpful. By building trust, people are more likely to make purchases through your links. If you have any questions about anything in this video, make sure to leave a comment. Always remember, patience is key. High-ticket affiliate marketing won't deliver results overnight. It takes dedication and persistence, but the payoff can be worth it. As you grow your savings, you'll see how this venture can create passive income. To sum it up, high-ticket affiliate marketing is a promising way to turn a profit. Choose your niche wisely. Build that audience, and stay committed. The rewards of hitting the big time could be just around the corner. To learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing and claim your free membership, be sure to check out the link to my free PDF report in the description below.